You should take it off and do it again.
Statistics reveal who is the strongest link. The weakest link is Chelsea.
That's the adjustment. So the moment you've got the lens attached, it actually horizontal lens versus vertical. So the 3D lens is parallel together. If once you attach the lens, if it's not configured, the camcorder will tell you do need to adjust it, and it will tell you each and every step one by one. So it will tell you to adjust option 1 via horizontal, via vertical, and then get the alignment done, and it's all on the screen. Then you can start using the camcorder. You can't use the camcorder straight away on the 3D. So you've got to adjust it first, which it does it automatically for you.